Hurricane Dorian was not all it was cracked up to be.
Darling, send me, I know send me, darling.
What's up, everybody? It's Jason, also known as suddenfashion.com. For those of you who do not know me, I live in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and so I just wanted to make a quick video just to let you guys know that Hurricane Dorian was not all it was cracked up to be. As you can see, this is kind of the tail end of it, and I mean, I didn't see winds higher than 30-40 miles per hour. The rain wasn't that much. I mean, there's some puddles here and there, but nothing, you know, nothing crazy. So anyways, I wanted to just let everybody know that I am a-okay. Everything's good. We stayed in all day. That's the good news. The good news is the hurricane is almost past. The worst of it is over. The bad news is this is not flyable. So if it's not flyable, what am I to do? That's a good question, right? Well, follow me. I want to show you guys something. So I went ahead and I busted the paramotor out, as you can see. And again, for those of you who do not know, I took it for a beach flight and the prop busted and the air filter came off and hit the prop. Of course, the air filter is broken, the prop is broken. Anyways, check out my new air filter. The air filter is actually for a Vitarazi 185. It actually turned out that the mouth of it that goes to the carburetor is 62 millimeters, which is exactly what mine is on my Blackhawk. So it is going to work, which is awesome. It fits right on there. One thing that I do have to do is go ahead and tie it off. That was a mistake last time. I didn't have it tied off, so when it loosened up and came off, it went right through the prop. Boom. So I gotta make sure and do that. And obviously I need a new prop. 3, 2, 1. Boom. There is my new prop, baby. Goodness, this thing is so super light. I mean, it only weighs 500 grams.
Darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling.
Anyways, guys, that is my new prop. I finally got it. It took about 8 days coming straight from France, so it's here. There is my new prop, and there is my new air filter. Anyways, for those of you who haven't seen my beach flight where the prop broke, check out my YouTube at suddenfashion.com. And here in the next couple days, I am going to go ahead and do my first flight with the new prop, and that will be a successful flight. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. See you soon, and have a great weekend.
Send me, darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling.